Welcome to my channel, Learn with Shobhamehta. Today I share an energy-giving, healthy, feel-good soup of having the goodness of mushrooms and colorful rainbow vegetables. Full of nutrients, minerals, vitamins. It's a one-pot meal, very filling, energizing. Gut is called the second brain now. So healthy gut is healthy you and your family. Easy to make soup. Chop all veggies and mushrooms bite size. Saute mushroom in butter. Add chopped garlic, onion, veggies one at a time. Saute for some time and add water. Let the contents simmer for about 15 minutes. The broth will thicken. Add only salt and pepper. Green coriander, cheese, butter cubes, etc. can be added when you're serving. Add or subtract whatever you wish as per your taste. Enjoy the soup. Now, mushrooms are rich source of fiber, protein and antioxidants. Low in calories, no fat, no cholesterol. They provide most important B vitamins for vegetarians, protect brain, keep you young, boost memory, lift your mood, help health heart. They help the body utilize energy from the food we consume. Look at the way your soup is being cooked, and it is so nourishing, so good. Enjoy.